tip arrived on your doorstep from an unkept, unshaven source claiming to be an expert. How long would it take you to look past the visual and hear the message? Business clothing standards have certainly changed over the years, and you might be argued that the bar's pretty low these days thanks to the pandemic. But what hasn't changed is this. While we don't want to judge others based on appearance, appearance is part of the message. Your job as a salesperson involves representing your company and your profession. I mean, it's hard enough to get someone's attention. So when we finally get an audience, whether it's in person or in Zoom, that first impression becomes critical. And even before you open your mouth, how you visually present yourself is communication. And the customer is receiving that communication. When I first started in sales in the early 1980s, we wore two-piece suits, three-piece suits, and women wore dresses. And things have changed. I think it was in the late 80s that business casual became a thing, and Casual Friday. I can vividly remember walking into the office of an equipment manufacturer, meeting someone for the first time, and this guy approached us, and I looked past him because he was dressed in flip-flops, really dirty blue jeans, and a t-shirt. And when he came over and introduced himself, I'm sure the shock on my face could not have been more apparent. He took it too far. That was business too casual. So look, you're welcome to dress any way you want, and you can disagree with me, even vehemently, but I promise you, it'll never hurt when you dress to impress. What started the sales tip was when a client yesterday was talking about a presenter that came after me at a recent conference, and he said, just the way he presented himself, I thought it was disrespectful to the conference. I just couldn't deal with it. He said, it turned out it was kind of part of his shtick. And he said, I know I'm old-fashioned, but, and these are his words, he said, he started at a disadvantage simply by an appearance that I felt was disrespectful to the audience. So if you're going to show up looking like roadkill, at least wear a tie. Have a great selling week.